Hi guys, ito ngayon kami sa Lingayen, Pangasinan. At siyempre, festa ngayon gusto sa amin. Bagoong festival po pala ngayon. At sana samahan nyo kami dito. Ililibot ko ngayon dito sa aming lugar, sa Lingayen, Pangasinan. Tara!
Esta vida, 420, pistols pointed, botellas empty, first 10 rows anointed. The fiesta's popping and all fingers pointed. Our rehab bottles got the whole crowd jointed. Checking what eyes can't be sweating, no why. I can hear every word fly, keep the gleam in your eye. High, con mucho drum roll on time, let the horn blow. Gas to the pedal like metal at a corn show. The rhyme rocker with a shitload of placa, grab the mic and freak the rhythm till there's no more bala. Stormy palabras, pero booze and ha-ha. That includes all who goes sissy la la. So do the cha-cha, who can call me Papa. We're okay for action, hunt until mañana. Down for hi-hat crash and whiplash. City night, bright light and herb stash.
¿Qué ondas, muchacho? Arriba las manos, gabacho moreno, penetra tu barrio. Lazy New rolas, pero rock back frente. That's again, esto pa' la gente. Like chanclazos, deep like fregadazos. Still got the coke and rum and flex the brazos. Then I hit you from a different angle. Lake Sweet, cheap shot, bird shit, straight cop. Soy el twin, pistolero, guerrero, don't be afraid of that. A matter of fact, I got like 10,000 maniacs in the crowd on a very good night. But keep it hype for a fraction of that. To get the fatty like that. Crónica en el aire, todos quieren baile. Plus my sick Latin style, baile. Trouble as they come. I can feel the drum, don't know the word, but you can hum.
Pala sa mga favorite ko na bagoong ay JB. Ito yung lagi kong binibili na pasalubong sa mga kamag-anak ko. Ito siya oh.
Oye muñeca, ya mueve la cadera sobre el ritmo y las trompetas. To the beat, kick hard como escopeta. Vatos on the prowl for the hoochie looking fresca. All you delincuentes, venga para enfrente. Hazte para atrás si tú eres muy decente. Cause I'm chueco, bent, contact the hierba. Lo que será, será cuando lo vuelva.
Your eyes burn, head turn, pupils tight, back stiff and your neck hurt. And then you exert, check the vibe. Who got more freaky than I survived, dodge a hoorah, trying to shoot I. So I mueva smooth, creep and crawl. They got another batch, let it thaw and lay shaw. Won't take fall, this here is when the take off. Trick, take a flick of the click, here to face y'all.
Medyo napagod ngayon kami sa aming paglilibot. Kaya kakain muna kami. Naghihintay kami ng in-order namin.